In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself in Slack. Messaging yourself in Slack is a simple, private way to capture quick notes, links, and reminders that stay synced across your devices. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can use it as a personal scratchpad anytime you're working. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you already use the desktop or mobile app, the actions I'm about to show you are the same there as well. Once Slack is open and you're in your workspace, look toward the top of the Slack window for the search bar. This is Slack's built-in search, not your browser's address bar. Click into that search field to activate it so Slack is ready to look up people, channels, and messages. Next, type your own username or display name exactly as it appears in Slack. As you type, Slack will suggest matches. You're aiming to find your own profile in the results list. This is how Slack creates a direct message thread with yourself, which is a dedicated space only you can see. When your profile appears among the results, click it. Slack will open a direct message with you as the recipient. You'll notice a familiar message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll compose anything you want to save for later. Think of it like a personal notepad built into Slack. Now, click into the message field and start typing your note. You can write a quick to-do, paste a link you don't want to lose, or draft a message you plan to send to someone else later. You can format your text for clarity, and everything you add here stays private to you. This space is searchable, so what you type can be found again using Slack's search when you need it. When your message looks good, send it. Click the Send button in the message area to post it to your direct message thread with yourself. You'll see the message appear in the conversation instantly. From here on, you can come back to this thread anytime to add more notes, update ideas, and reference what you've saved, whether you're on desktop, web, or mobile. That's all it takes. Open Slack, use the search at the top, choose your own profile, type your message, and send. With this simple habit, you'll always have a fast, private place in Slack to capture what matters in the moment.